Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a Zoom interview with one of the owners of GSWF Global. They are a PPF manufacturer. They make some of my favorite paint protection film. They make color paint protection film, smoke paint protection film, and they have tons of new products coming out this year. I will be dropping their link down in the description of this video, so go check them out. Also, guys, please be nice to me. This is my first time doing a Zoom interview, my first time doing a interview, period, with another company or another rapper, anything like this. This is the Rap Talk episode number 1, so please, take it easy on me. Don't judge me too much. I'm not one that's, a public speaker kind of guy, so I'm not great at this, but I want to get good at it because I enjoy this sort of thing, and I want to get to know people in this industry more, and I want to contribute to this industry. So please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe, and we're just gonna jump right into this with Anthony. Anyway, you are the owner of GSWF, right?
Right. I'm a shareholder. We own the second biggest part of the company.
Oh, okay.
The owner of GSWF is the biggest part of the manufacturer, and I'm with for around 8 years.
Okay, so you own part of the manufacturer and part of the company GSWF?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Sweet.
And I lived in China before too.
Okay.
I lived in China for 3 years, 2 years and a half.
Okay.
I live in Shanghai, and also I work for another company there, and finally I finished shareholder of GSWF.
Oh, okay. And now you're just with GSWF?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
We're doing very good.
Nice. Yeah, I really enjoy your product.
Yeah.
So, one question I got from one of my followers is how did you come up, or they come up with the name GSWF, or is there a meaning behind it?
This is a very good question because nobody asked me really, but some people's gonna think it's coming from American Standard window film in the USA.
Oh, okay.
No, it's global standard window film.
Okay.
And it exists before American Standard window film.
Okay.
And GSWF 20 years ago they manufactured a window film, and 15 years ago they started to do only PPF.
Okay,
and
so you stopped with the window film, and you're just doing PPF now.
Yeah, for 15 years we just do a PPF line.
Okay.
At this moment we manufacture 21 clear PPF.
Okay.
We create OEM for other brand, really good brand on the market.
Yeah, that's what I thought you guys did.
Yeah, and it's the reason we can come on the market so strong and so fast.
That makes more sense.
Yeah.
Because I didn't hear about you guys for a long time, and all of a sudden, boom, GSWF, and you guys are just making amazing product.
We also have 10 new PPF in production, 10 new colors: purple dark blue, red dark blue, midnight blue. You're gonna see.
Nice.
You're gonna love it.
You guys also just came out with a white recently, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say all those colors was basic colors to start.
Oh yeah, I've seen those before.
And I'm gonna say now we're gonna go with special colors. We start
nice.
with the special colors. Yeah.
That's sweet.
And it was really hard to keep the same quality of production.
That makes sense.
When you go with purple dark.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we get it. We are on it.
Is that
have this available? So.
Okay, so are you guys being able to do more colors because of your new facilities that you guys are building, or?
Yes. The new facility is going to be able to manufacture 100,000 rollers a month of PPF.
That's a lot. That's a lot of PPF.
And GSWF, for the moment, it's not so big, okay? But we're doing very, 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 very well. I'm going to say we grew up 70% a month in the last 3 months.
That's big.
And, yeah.
That's a lot of growth.
We are in a pandemic situation. And I think we're doing good. I think people know us and people have heard about us.
Yeah.
And but I'm gonna say the owner has a lot of experience. I have 28 years experience.
That's a lot of experience.
It's a long time. Yeah.
But like you say, you've worked for other companies too, right? Like you've done lots of install, right? Like
Yeah.
you're familiar with installing, not just the manufacturing part, right?
I installed at 16 years old window film.
Okay.
When we even don't use it, you know.
So,
And,
are you just familiar with installing like lots of window film, or did you do lots of like wraps and stuff too?
I did a window film after I did a wrap when you have no air release
Okay.
on chrome, and we installed some car and handle in chrome with no air release.
That does not
And
sound
after-
fun.
No, it was really, really hard, you know. You start a handle and you finish the next day, you know,
Yeah.
to be able to push, to be sure he stick on at that time, you know. And after that, I start to do PPF.
Okay.
And after that, I become distributor. And after that, I start to sell in different country, help other brand. And I move in China for another brand. And I finish with GSWF, come back to Canada, move to GSWF completely. And we have the window film for next summer coming. I think you're gonna see quality price. It's pretty good.
So
really good.
So you guys are bringing back window film, like
Yeah.
window tint. Is that what it's?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Window film.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have two series. We're gonna have nano ceramic and a carbon series, a regular carbon series.
Okay. What about a
This is where we're going.
What about a windshield protective film? Like there's Exo Shield there now, but do you guys plan on doing something similar to that?
We already have one, like
Okay.
Exo Shield, but we're gonna do the next one, and we work on it right now.
Okay.
It's gonna be in PPF, a
Yeah.
thicker PPF, and it's gonna be a protection for windshield.
Okay, because I've just put a new windshield in my truck that I'm rebuilding, and I kind of want to put some PPF on there or something, because I don't want it to get beat to hell.
And also we have now I already have in stock a PPF for sunroof.
Okay, that's sweet.
PPF for sunroof.
What's
got 99% of the UV,
okay?
90% of the heat.
That's really good.
Yeah, and 70% VLT.
Okay, so those are the main differences from the regular PPF.
Yeah, exactly. This is what we're doing. What we do right now.
Okay,
What we're doing.
that's sweet.
Yeah,
That's
And
very
how
cool.
about you?
Just waiting to wrap my truck, pretty much. Waiting for the new shop to be done. We're gonna be in a new shop first thing the new year, pretty much. Then we got some cool jobs in order.
I really like the video you do. I really like everything you do.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Really
and
trying
I'm
to.
happy you talk. I'm happy you talk about the project. I'm really happy.
I try to talk about your products because you guys help us out, and I want to help you out, right? So, but yeah,
We're doing a lot of social media. We're doing 5 social media, and we're gonna come with some things a lot bigger soon. You're
Nice.
gonna see. I'm working on some things right now, really different than everybody, and I think it's gonna be again another
set yourself apart.
another big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, we try to be apart.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's you got to be different, right, to make an impact.
Yeah.
So that's what we find. Yeah. But yeah, the videos are just fun to make. I love creating the content. Doing the B-roll is the most fun. Those B-roll parts. We're definitely gonna create some content around the videos when we do my truck wrap. So we're gonna do a bunch of videos when we actually do the printed wrap part, and when we do the PPF, do a bunch around that too. I want to get as much PPF of your PPF on that truck as possible. Cover that thing.
We have another PPF also. We have 18 mil PPF.
Holy crap!
But
That's thick.
I try it and have hard time to just turn the corner, you know.
Oh yeah. Why
I
so?
think it's gonna be good for EV duty machine, you know.
For what?
EV duty.
Oh, okay.
Like a truck, you know.
Yeah.
I think it's what you can use.
Yeah.
Because 18 mils, it's really thick.
That is very
I will
thick.
tell you. That one, it is.
Yeah, that's a lot thicker than the normal PPF. Because your normal stuff is 8 mil, right? And then you have a 10 mil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have 10 mil. Do you know what is the thickness of all those colors?
I don't.
10.
Those are 10.
Everybody think it's 6.
Okay. Yeah, it feels thinner. which is weird.
Yeah. Yeah, the reason is in each colors we had a special chemical when we do the infusion of the colors, and the chemical inside make the product more soft. You think it's a 6 mil.
Yeah, that makes sense.
This is
because when I first
it's good to know.
Yeah, when I first played with the green PPF, I thought it was a lot thinner than the regular Defender series, which kind of made me confused, but it was interesting. So I was just wondering why it was so much thinner, but I guess it's actually quite a bit thicker.
Yeah, it's thicker. We have a machine to measure the thickness of the product, and it's 10 mil. And all the PPF Defender Platinum, Defender Ultimate are 8 mil, and the Defender Ultra is 7.5.
Oh, okay. What is the thickness of the tinted headlight taillight PPF?
8 mils.
That is 8 mils? Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
So it applies pretty much exactly like the Defender series, the 8 mil.
Yeah, everybody loves it. I think.
I love it. I really enjoy using it.
It's a big seller.
I believe it.
I like it. The glossy black too.
The new 70% is awesome.
Yeah.
I got a bunch of overspray on, because I tinted my taillights on my truck with the 50%, I think it was. But I got a bunch of overspray on it, on my taillights on accident when painting my block side. So I'm going to end up taking that off, and I'm going to put this new 70% on there.
70%, it's a one I ask for North American market because of the law, because of the police.
Okay.
We do it only for 2-3 months, and this was my request. And now I request we're gonna do yellow. Yeah.
Oh, yellow.
One color.
Okay. Yes. No, I think that people seem to like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's popular, and we're working on a carbon fiber, but again, we are able to do a carbon fiber exactly like everybody. The only thing is we decide to don't do a carbon fiber like everybody. We try to have a super high gloss on it and a very good effect 3D. We are still not able to do it, okay?
Okay.
But we are close to it.
Okay. One of my buddies who also does PPF went to his shop when he was doing a carbon fiber roof wrap with PPF. Can't remember what the brand was.
Yeah.
And he was complaining to me that it was pulling apart. Like it looked like they had it was like a 2-layer thing, right? And the top layer, the top protective layer, I don't know what was going on there, but it was coming apart from the bottom layer, which was really interesting to me. And it was a super, super thick film, and he was not enjoying working with it by the sounds of it. So I'm assuming yours will be better than that.
Yeah, it's gonna be better than that. What we're working on it is pretty good, and it's really different than what you saw on the market. I'm gonna say the effect.
Okay.
The eyes effect is gonna be very, very good.
Yeah. Well, all your films have way more of a gloss than any other film I've seen. Like, not as much that orange peel Ripley effect, which is what I've heard of lots of people really liking about your film. That's a huge thing I liked about it.
It's gonna be more gloss.
Even more.
Yeah, we work on it too. This is some things we really want to be the top.
Yeah.
We work on it. We know people like gloss on vinyl now. At a certain point it was satin.
Yeah.
And now people want super gloss.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
The new glass, the new glass we have it already.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, you're gonna see the glass later on the new colors we're doing. It's gonna be.
I'm excited to see that.
Yeah, it's gonna be very good. I'm telling you.
I might have to switch it out once maybe next year I'll do a new wrap on my truck and do the wrap with that after. I'm thinking I might as well switch up the wrap every other year. I don't know.
Yeah.
When you're a rapper, you might as well, right?
Yeah. And the colors was not so popular in the beginning when we come in with the colors, and more like today, a lot of yellow out.
A lot of yellow?
I don't know why.
Why yellow?
Many different customer, many different place yellow today.
Interesting.
It was the yellow day, I don't know. I'm gonna say the gray, the light gray, the dark gray are extremely popular too.
I like that. If I wasn't doing a full printed wrap on my truck, I would do the full white, because that's what I was originally gonna do. But my brother Dan's got a pretty crazy design going for my truck right now. Could maybe give you a little sneak peek. I think I might have sent you one a while ago, but it's changed up again.
Yeah. You work with your brother?
My brother is the one that does all of our designs at Rogue Lab.
Yeah.
Obviously, you can't see it well, and it's not done yet. That's just what he sent me at like 5 o'clock today. Pretty crazy. It went from originally just some like pixely, whatever pattern, to he's like, no, I don't like that. Let's do something different. So I just let him take over, and he's a designer. I'm not. I don't design. So, because that wouldn't look good. So I let him take off with that. So I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. But
it's okay, you know. Whatever. More important, we have a small good conversation together.
It is good.
First time we see.
Yeah, first time I've actually done this with anyone, let alone with you. And I've been working with you guys for a while and using your products for a while, and partnering with you guys. I hope that continues for a long time.
We're super happy.
What's that?
With everything you do. We're super happy with everything you do.
That's good.
I think you have a way to explain perfectly.
Yeah, I hope I just keep getting better at doing the videos so I can produce more good content for you guys and for us. You gonna have color books with those new colors soon? Or what's...
Yeah, this is the reason I have around not too much in stock right now. The swatch book, we have, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000 something.
Okay.
But we wait the new colors to do a new one completely. The swatch book is gonna be another model.
Okay, I'll have to get some of those.
Yeah, you're gonna like. We have some marketing stuff coming. We have a lot. We have frame for wall with poster.
Oh, sweet.
We have a bottle, everything you can think.
Nice.
With our name on it, you can have a luggage to travel if you want.
I don't know who's traveling right now.
No, I don't.
Not much.
We did everything. I tell you.
I believe that.
We have a container of stuff, just of marketing stuff.
That's sweet.
And also we would like to give a T-shirt to all customers.
Yeah, that's sweet. That's a good idea.
We're working a lot to provide you to all installer some marketing stuff, and we are always happy to get some goodies with when you open your box and you see a couple of things.
Yeah, it's definitely always a nice surprise. Even if you know what's coming, it's nice to get that extra tool or extra squeegee or even that mat that you guys sent me the other day. That was awesome. I'll be using that and posting about it soon. But yeah.
But we keep in touch.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts down below. Comment if you learned something. If this was, I don't know, inspirational or whatever it was. Thanks guys for checking it out. And we got more coming at you guys. We got ones with actual wrappers, giving you guys tips, tricks, suggestions, tools, whatever it is that they want to tell me. That's what will be coming at you guys. Hopefully we can help you guys learn some things in the process. Thank you guys again. See you guys in the next video. Peace.